this is Ron's Woodturning. Welcome back. I'm still in my small shop for another few weeks. But that same guy that gave me that wood for that bird's beak gave me some bigger pieces. So I'm going to do the same thing with this bigger piece of pecan. And again, I drilled a hole somewhere. Yeah, right here. Then I'm going to put it on a worm screw, and this is not going to go near as fast as that little small piece, so it may take a while. So y'all stick with me, and we'll try it again. Alright, so I tested it out, and I can only get about 420 RPMs. If I go up any more right now, it's going to be way out of balance because I got must be just a tad off center. But when I get rid of this humps, it should give me a little more speed. So let's get going. I'm going to try a new line of attack because this is slow, so y'all bear with me. Finally, I'm getting close, but I got to take another 1/4 inch off the diameter. It ain't gonna hurt nothing. But I got this like I want it. I'm gonna have to do the hardening thing here, but I got to get rid of this brown spot here, as I'm gonna come in another 1/4 inch, and then I'm gonna make this a little more indented. Oh, let me do that. Whooped. Alright, I gotta do the super glue trick around this bark. And that ought to harden it up, then I can get it smooth. Alright, let's put some sealer on this bad boy. Yeah. Maybe not. We'll give it 2 or 3 coats. Only got it sanded like 120. So I'll let this dry, stiffen everything up, and then hit it again. Alright, there it is. Now I'm going to seal it again and move on. Alright. Well, I got the outside with a little finish on it, and I went out of town for a couple of days, so it's just been sitting here. Still really straight, so I drilled it, and now I'm fixing to start hollowing this thing out. Alright, that's about as good as I'm going to want the lip. So now I'm just going to dig out the middle. And I'm going to cock the head to do that. So let me get set up and I'll be back. Alright, I'm setting up my hollowing jig, so all I gotta do is follow that red line, and I put it back this way. So let me tighten it all up, and we'll get going again. Sorry about that, I'm bumping the camera. Alright, so if I go inside, it shows the bead on the outside. And you can see I got a long way to go. Let me raise it up. Now I don't know if you can see that little red dot going around. Yeah, you can. So anyway, just follow the red dot and we'll get it cleaned out. Pick it up, just bump it. There we go. Now I just hollow it out. And I just follow the red dot. Cool! Let's do it! Take a little break. I got it good from the lip here to about right there, then it starts getting thick, but I only got about, I don't know, ½ inch. But I'm going to take a break and I'll come back to it. Alright, I'm calling that good. That is pretty smooth in there. So let me sand out the inside. I'll make a cone to fit this on, and then I'll cut the bottom off. And it's looking good. Just about to get my hand in there. It's nice. I like it. All right, we'll do some sanding. I'm gonna burn the edge a little bit. I'm going to put a little wipe on poly. Make it shine. Now all you get a stick to go up in there. But man, one coat of that looks great. I'll probably end up with 3. Wow. Man, would you look at that. Oh my gosh. I love it. Alright, gotta let it dry. Alright, well it ain't quite finished, but it's close enough to show y'all. All I gotta do is cut the back off. Now this one had some kind of something in the middle. It wasn't worms, for a change. But I think it come out pretty doggone good, and it's nice. I like it. Anyway, it was fun. It was tedious, and it took a while. But I like that simple wood turning hollowing tool. It does a good job. And yeah, it's hard to set up and all that, and it's kind of a pain, but it does work, and that laser really helps you out when you can't see up inside. So it was fun, and I'm glad y'all stuck with me. So y'all have a great day.